The next Galaxy Fold 7 from Samsung is anticipated to be an improvement over the current model.
When closed, rumors indicate that the gadget will be as thin as 8.6mm, which is almost as thin as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. People who like their foldables to feel more compact when folded would find it lighter and more pleasant to carry about as a result. Like the most recent Galaxy S Ultra models, the Fold 7's shape may possibly be rumored to be more rounded. One-handed phone use may become more comfortable as a result. It is also rumored that the displays will be larger, with the outer screen rising to 6.5 inches and the interior display reaching 8 inches. The foldable would feel more upscale and be better for multitasking, gaming, and viewing films as a result. The Fold 7's cameras are anticipated to be improved. According to rumors, the 50-megapixel primary camera may be swapped out with a 200-megapixel sensor akin to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This would boost picture quality significantly and provide crisper, better low-light images. The rumored configuration consists of a 4-megapixel under-display camera for the inside screen, a 10-megapixel front selfie camera, and a 12AP ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Better speeds, longer battery life, and more potent AI capabilities are anticipated with the Fold 7, which is anticipated to employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU, which powers the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to certain rumors, Samsung may employ its own Exynos 2500 processor in select areas, which might result in somewhat varied phone experiences depending on where you purchase it. On the software front, One UI 7, which will be included with the Fold 7, is anticipated to debut. This version includes all of the latest AI capabilities from the Galaxy S25 series, including Sketch-to-Image for AI-generated art, Portrait Studio for improved picture editing.
We won't have to depend on rumors for much longer since Samsung is anticipated to publicly unveil everything this summer.
Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.